Okay, it's 3DP UK here with a quick review on the Anycubic Kobra Plus. I've obviously done the original unboxing and build, which you should have seen in my previous video, so if not, just check the link in the description. So I used my Cura profile for this. I've created it, so I will be posting that into my Linktree account. You are more than welcome to access that and request access through my Linktree. Anyway, back to the machine. So this is the Anycubic Kobra Plus. So this is the brand new mid-range machine from Anycubic. So we had the original Anycubic Cobra, and then we had the Anycubic Kobra Max, and this is the Anycubic Kobra Plus. So the actual build size is, as I said in my previous video, is 300 by 350. So it's a good size. You can do some really good projects on this. So watching 3D Printing Nerd, he obviously showcased just quickly the Kobra Plus on his channel recently, and kindly posted that we could do the droid as well. So that was really kind of him. I've dropped the link in the description, so you're more than welcome to share that. As you can see, the profiles worked really well. I'm going to turn off the machine, so just to the left hand side you've got the on off switch, and for this particular build I used the Matter Hackers Quantum PLA, which is beautiful. This one's the green raspberry, and as you see, so if I just slowly slide that forward, so you can already start to hear the crackle of the actual build. So that's good. That means that the parts are now coming loose. It's very cold to the touch. Let me just move myself forward so we can get a better view of the actual parts. So there you go. So there's some string in there. I'm expecting that, to be honest with you. It's quite a new machine, so I'm still working on some of the retraction speeds. But other than that, I mean, as a brand new printer to the network, there's no support in terms of Cura profiles at the moment. What I did was I used the Cobra Max profile that I've got up on the Linktree, which is good. I've had some amazing results from that. So all I did was just adjust some of the settings. When booking it into Cura, just remember to select your basic profile on there, and then just make sure you put in the correct X, Y, and Z. In terms of the actual Cura profile, like I say, just click on my link for my Linktree and you are more than welcome to use that as a baseline. I would, however, say that it is a baseline, so what you see here might not necessarily what you get. It depends on your environment and so forth. But anyway, yeah, the Anycubic Kobra Plus for me is absolutely amazing. Perfect size. I do love my Max, but it is quite big in terms of its footprint, but this is only slightly bigger than the actual Cobra. With your tension rails on the front and the back, the X and the Y, that helps with like the tension. So this helps with the free flowing and the perfect prints, as you can see. So I'm just going to take some of these off. So as you can see, yeah, it's really lovely. The actual, I mean, the filament really is beautiful. And this is, like I say, I believe it's the BB Droid. So I'm going to be putting that together in a minute, and yeah, like I say, this is all coming off lovely. Absolutely no issues. Obviously take care with some of the smaller parts. Anything that doesn't seem to be wanting to go yet, just take your time with it. There's no rush, but look at that. I mean, the print is absolutely beautiful. The layer line, so this was a 0.2, so not the best. I did it for just a quick print. This print took about 8 hours, but the shine on that's the first layer. I think that's absolutely beautiful. I haven't done the E-steps on this, possibly not going to. It seems okay at the moment. Yeah, just pulling off some of these other ones. Same again, beautiful layer line. The PLA really just makes it pop. For this particular build, I did flip the bed on this. I didn't need to do it on my Cobra Max, but on this Kobra Plus, I just thought I'd give it a go. I had no issues with the other side, on the main side, but I just thought I'd give printing on a glass bed to go just with this, so you do have the options to flip it if you so choose, and it works for me. So yeah, so it's even picked up the arrow sign really nicely, which is beautiful. Look, as they just going around the build, just popping off the ones that are coming off nice. No point in forcing it. Some of them might take slightly longer, especially the ones in the middle. That's where the heat sort of generates the most. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. So at the end of the video, you'll see a few pictures of this actually built. Really enjoyed that. Thank you for 3D Printing Nerd for getting that posted, and for all the other people that supported this and provided this model for us to print. And like I say, using the Anycubic Kobra Plus has been amazing. I really like it. So yeah, thank you for supporting me. This is 3D P UK. Like and subscribe, and see you soon. Take care. Bye.